Quail eggs are a superfood that is widely used in Vietnamese cuisine. Let's make a few cute and pretty snacks with quail eggs to treat your families and friends. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
If you are a Vietnamese street food fan, you must have tried grilled quail eggs with various toppings in this cute little mold. You will need quail eggs, some shredded beef jerky, dry mini shrimps and pork floss, some spam or pate, butter, sausage, green onion, and cheese. Grease the mold with butter. Then crack in the quail eggs, one for each hole. Add the chopped spam or pate and other toppings of your choice, some green onion and pork floss, and cover the lid. Fry until it's turned golden brown. It's gonna taste so good with some sweet hot sauce. Another cute recipe using quail eggs and the same mold is mini triangle quail egg cupcake. You will need quail egg, 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup sugar, some shallot, 1 egg, 1/3 cup milk and 1/3 cup butter, some salt, vanilla extract, and mozzarella cheese. Crack the egg in one large bowl. Add the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Then add sugar and a pinch of salt and stir well. Sift in the flour and mix until homogeneous. You should get a thick batter like this. Now grease the mold with butter and fill the mold half full with the batter. Then top with 1 quail egg or some mozzarella cheese. Cover and bake for about 5 minutes and then flip it over. Wow, it's so soft, fragrant, and fluffy. When it's golden on both sides, you can serve it immediately. It's rich, soft, and fluffy, and smells incredible. Such a great afternoon snack to serve with a bubble tea. Another lovely snack with quail eggs that you can make for your kids is quail egg meatball. You will need a dozen quail eggs, 200 gram ground pork or pork paste, 100 gram tempura flour, 100 gram of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, some stock powder, pepper, and vegetable oil. Season the ground pork with stock powder and pepper. Mix well and leave to sit for about 15 minutes. Then pinch 2 tablespoons amount. Press to flatten into a disc. Place a boiled quail egg into the center and shape into a meatball. Then roll the meatball over some tempura flour. Then drop into the beaten egg and roll over the breadcrumbs. Then deep fry until golden brown. Then remove and place on paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Cut in half to reveal the beautiful quail eggs inside. It looks so pretty and tastes so good and very nutritious too. Very crispy on the outside with succulent meat inside combined with the nutty savory quail egg flavor. What a wonderful bite. Serve with some ketchup or chili sauce is perfect. I hope you enjoyed these cute snacks with quail eggs. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I will see you then next time. Bye!